Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Drive third-party app permissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Locate and click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the Google Drive interface. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, look for the Manage Apps option on the left side. Click on Manage Apps to view the list of third-party applications connected to your Google Drive. To add a new third-party app, return to the main Google Drive interface. Click on the plus New button situated on the left side. Select File Upload or Folder Upload based on the type of file you need to share with a third-party app. Once the file is uploaded, right-click on it and select Share. In the sharing settings, enter the email address of the third-party app you are authorizing. Adjust the permissions to either viewer, commenter, or editor as needed. Click Send to grant access to the app. If the app requests additional permissions, a prompt will appear. Review the permissions requested by the third-party app carefully. Click Allow to grant the necessary permissions for the app to access your Google Drive. After granting permissions, return to the Manage Apps section in your Google Drive settings. Verify that the third-party app now appears in the list with the correct permissions. Exit the settings once you have confirmed the app's authorization. Your third-party app is now authorized to access your Google Drive as per the permissions set. You can now use the app with your Google Drive seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.